When you add a new task to your schedule in Structured, you start by giving it a name. Then choose the date and time for it. This places it exactly where it belongs in your schedule. If you already know how long the task will take, you can add a duration. Structured makes this simple with preset options: 30 minutes, an hour, or longer. Selecting one means your timeline shows not just when the task begins, but how much time it will occupy. You can also add notes. They're useful for details you don't want to forget. Instructions, a thought process perhaps. And that's your task ready. Your timeline is beginning to take shape.